Hi guys, it's Rae with Raes Turquoise Turtle. This cup is going to be kind of an abridged video because I am dodging snowflakes and freezing rain and shit weather out there. So, I can't take you guys outside because I don't want my stuff to get wet and I'm like running back and forth. So, this is going to be a Superman cup. It is a gift. It is not for sale. So I printed my decals on, and this was my own flaw. I'm so used to setting up all of my printables in my Word program that I did that with this and then realized, duh, you're printing that on white vinyl. So I'm now going to have to fussy cut these, but I printed them on my Joyeza vinyl sticker paper, 25 sheets glossy for inkjets. So that's what I have here. So I'm going to get to fussy cutting in a little bit here. But these are my three paint colors. I have sun yellow, apple red, and an unnamed blue. Like literally there's not a name on this can that I can see. So, whatever. So, this one I'm going to keep out. These two I'm going to put away because I'm done with them. I have a 20-ounce traditional from Maker Flow that I just painted some red and yellow on randomly. I'm not super in love with the yellow, but I only had like a very pale yellow or yep, what's that word I'm looking for? Fluorescent. So I went with the sun. But this I'm going to power wash over the top. I'm going to take it outside. I'm going to spritz power wash on it here and there. And then I'm going to spray the whole cup blue and immediately rinse the blue off. I'm not going to dip it in a bucket. I'm just going to rinse it with a cup of water because it doesn't even take a half a gallon of water to rinse off the power wash. So I'm going to come back in. I will show you a coat of resin going over the top, and then we will get to the decals. So that's where I'm at with this cup, and that is what I am doing. So I'll be back. Okay, so I have my power wash done. I just turned on the wrong turner, of course. So that is how it looks after the power wash. And it looks pretty cool. And I have 15 mLs of liquidy split mixed up that I'm just going to get on here. And the colors will really pop under the resin more. Okay, I am ready to get the decals on this and a coat of resin. I think I'm going to put him here and that there, and then this on the back side. They cut pretty well for hand cutting. So, I'm just going to see if I can get the backers off of them. I don't really want to sit this down because I don't want to get glitter on it. Okay. I'm hoping that this one will lay nicely on the curve. Hoping. I mean, you can still see a little bit of the white on the outline, but it's fine. I'm gonna flip it over so I can kind of try and find my center-ish. And one more. So I'm going to put fairly close to the top. There. So that is it for my decals. We will, and I just scratched that somehow. We will take it over and get another coat of resin on it, and it'll be good. I'm pretty happy with how it worked out. So there we go. Okay, we're just gonna get a clear coat on here. Have my resin mixed up. Now remember, this was printable vinyl, not sealed in any way. For whatever reason on that medium, you can just go right over it. Bring them up here so you can see. I think this looks really cool. I mean, my yellow's a little orangey, but I didn't have a good yellow to begin with, so but I absolutely love it. The bottom's just a bottom, no big deal down there. So that is it for this one. Thank you for watching. We will get back to some power wash methods outside once the weather breaks, but there's another storm coming in this weekend, so it's not going to be anytime soon. Winter in New York is nowhere near over.